Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to start a new conversation in your team on Microsoft Teams using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. This can be for work, school, or business. We also need to have access to the desktop application. So we can go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to Mac Office, go to the application Microsoft Teams. Let's just wait for that to load. And once that's loaded, make sure you are signed into the account. Then go to your newly created team with the newly created channel, which is social media, but we'll just go to the by default channel, which is general. And to now start a new conversation, let's go to new conversation on the bottom of the screen. Click on this. And now we can add anything to start the conversation. So let's just write a welcome message to the team, the employers, employees, or whoever is part of the journey at your company brand. So if I was to press enter, this would start the conversation. However, we can edit and then start word processing, but that's for the near future. So we can now click on enter, and there we go. So the conversation has now started. Other members who are part of this team are more than welcome to respond, start their own conversation, build up some traction. So we can now quit Microsoft Teams. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.